Hi, this is Ken Lau. Now in this video, I will talk about one of the top Excel function used in logistics. So here's it. We talk about the if function. So how to use the if functions is that the if function return one value if the condition is true or another value if the condition is false, right? So what does that mean, right? The syntax is really just like this, right? You can see that so what's next is that you can go to the I will show you how is it like. Let's go to here. Now let's say that you have a status here and there is a pickup. Let's pick up here. I'll say that okay, if the column is this if the column failure reason, right? Failure reason here, failure reason, okay, that is the there are basically two status, but you have to redesign it, right? So how do you do that, right? Is that okay, so is that there are two status, okay? So let's just read this status here, right? If a column of failure reasons, the failure reason here has not delivered, so what happened is that you need to copy the reason in this status, copy the status like this here, and copy this reason to the status column. So there are basically two status column right here. So how do you do that is that so I just go to the it's continuous improvement. You see, right? We need to do a lot of things. Like here is like one. Just use this here to explain better. So this is the second status, and this is the first status. Okay, so based on what has happened in these failure reasons, right, they have to copy that either this one or this one to the new status. So it's recategorizing, right? Say that. So combining this column and this column together. Okay, so you can use the if function to just do that, right? Now let's just look at zooming this one to here, right? Zooming. So we just have this column and this column, right? So we can have this right here, and we can also have this right here. Okay, and the function is really just this. So here is what they check. So what do they check? They check on the cell D20. Okay, if it's equal, is it equal to not deliver? So it's not equal to not deliver. So what do we do is that if it's not equal to deliver, so they go to the column C, row 20, which is this one, and they copy right here. So you can see that this is pickup, right? So let's say here I change it to cat, so it becomes cat. Okay, so now if we come to this column, this row here is different because this is exactly not exactly, because it's not what's capital letter recognized, right? It's not case sensitive, right? So then in that case, right, it will copy this figure into here, not delivered right here. So that is how one of the logistic company use the if function to recategorizing into two components. So instead of looking at just looking at two columns, now it's become just zooming, focusing one column. So hope this is useful to you, and I'm sure that some of the logistic company will benefit from this because it is industry driven. Thanks for watching, and if you like to have these top 18 Excel functions used in logistic industry, do contact me. Thank you.